I'm really running out of material now. So today, I'm gonna get out of my comfort zone. Algebra Demistfied, a self-teaching guide. Let's start with fractions. Fractions multiplication. All you have to do is multiply straight across. Multiply the numerators, which are the top numbers, and the denominators, which are the bottom numbers. Multiplying fractions and whole numbers. You can multiply fractions by whole number in two ways. One way is the numerator of the product will be the whole number times the fractions numerator, and the denominator will be the fractions denominator. The other way is treat the whole number as a fraction. The whole number always has 1 as the denominator. Then multiply as you would any two fractions. Fraction division. Fraction division is as easy as fraction multiplication. Switch the numerator and denominator of the second fraction, and the fraction division problem becomes a fraction multiplication problem. Another example of fraction division with a whole number. Reducing fractions. Reduce the fraction means that the numerator and denominator have no common factors. 2/3 is reduced to lowest terms, but 4/6 is not. Here is the most basic approach to reducing fractions. First, write the numerator and denominator as a product of prime numbers. Next, collect the primes common to both the numerator and the denominator at the beginning of each fraction. Split each fraction into two fractions, the first with the common primes. Now the fraction is in the form of 1 times another fraction. Another method to reduce the fraction is find the largest number that divides both the numerator and the denominator. Adding and subtracting fractions. When adding or subtracting fractions with the same denominators, add or subtract their numerators. Example, subtracting. Another example, adding. Then we reduce the fraction of the sum. When the denominators are not the same, you have to rewrite the fractions so that they do have the same denominator. The easiest way to get a common denominator is to multiply the first fraction by the second denominator over itself, and the second fraction by the first denominator over itself. That's it for today. Happy demystifying.